Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the new session. In this session, we are going to see about conditions in Python. What are the conditions and how is the execution of these things and that and all we are going to see in this session. Let's start our session. Let's look into this session. Conditions. What is meant by condition? A condition is nothing but whether that particular thing or that particular work is going to be executed within this time or not. This is the condition. In a company, the manager has to say that this work has to be completed by this Monday. This is the condition. That is what the condition means. The work has to completed by Monday itself. If it is going to extend means you will lose your salary. This is the condition. The manager put a condition so that the worker has to work by the duration itself. In such a way, in Python we have so many conditions that are if, else if, nested if, and nested elif. Elif is nothing but else if. Here I am going to write one program to check whether the following program is using if else. I am using if and only if, simple if I am using. Here let's see. Yeah, one way decision. I am taking only one way. It is nothing but the condition has to be whether verified or not. The condition verified means the output going to be print something. If condition is not valid means it is going to return something else. Now let's see here if x is equals to 2. I am taking input as x is equals to 2. Print before 2. If it is irrespective of the code or condition, this is going to be print forever, right? Now, why? Because it is out of the condition, correct? Now I'm choosing, and if x equal to 2, here I'm using comparison operator, correct? Right, in previous session we have seen comparison operator like this. We are using print is equals to before to, it has irrespective of the anything it is going to be print. And if x is equals to 2, print hello, print world. Why? Because indentation is for this, if indentation is these two, correct? Right, so whenever this statement is going to be executed correctly, these two statements are printed consecutively, and after that this block is going to little bit slide because this is going out of the indentation of if block. Irrespective of anything whether this is correct or not, this is also going to be printed. In similar way this is going to be checked. This execution part is going to show just a few seconds ago. Just wait for that. I'm seeing another way, two-way selection. This is if else statement. If I'm choosing another anything, that number, if that number is here condition is there, whether this condition is going to executed true, then a set of statements will be executed. If this statement is going to be executed in false manner, then it is going to be executed in another statements. For that I have chosen whether the number is even or odd. I am taking input using a variable called a variable. In past two lectures we saw what is a variable. Variable is nothing but name given to the memory location. Variable name means anything. Here I am choosing integer value. So input enter the number. If whenever the when a number is said to be even or odd, if the number moduli is equal to 0, then only it is said to be a number is even. If it is not, then the number is going to odd. Here this print statement is irrespective of the any indentation of if, it is going to be valid. Now let's see the execution part. Here see, I have written a bunch of code for a is equals to 2 without taking input. I am writing. Why? Because I am using Colab, Google by Colab. So I am using this one. If a is equals to 2, same thing I have been written. Now let's execute this code. This internet connection is required. So sorry for that. So if I am executing this one, then it is going to be print Take little bit time. Here see, if A is equals to 2, A is verified as true, print hello and SCRP take, hello and SCRP take. After that, this is going to be print irrespective of the whatever the condition. And if A equal to 3, print world. It is executed as invalid and print everything is fine is going to printed. If I am changing the value A is equals to 3, now I am executing this code. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. This code is going to be false. So these two blocks are not going to execute. Block of SS is going to be executed and A is correctly printed. So world and everything is fine also going to be executed. So in this way, the if else and one way selection is going to be executed. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. This is how for today's session. Thank you for watching.